Hey everybody, this is Beau at the G3 conference. This is Jeffrey Rice, owner and operator of Tenebras Lux Bible Rebinding. You know Jeffrey, you know Tenebras Lux. So, first of all, how you been doing? How's the business going?
Well, I'm doing fantastic. God's hand has been on me my whole life, and even more so in this business. And so I'm truly grateful for the community, all those who have bought Bibles from us. We're so grateful. We love y'all. We love everything Bibles. TJ's doing well. The family's good.
Yeah,
I mean, talk about hindsight 2020 to be able to look back and see God's hand on you.
Yeah.
And so I know that God's hand is on me, so I'm very appreciative of that and very appreciative of the community.
Well, we love you, man. I wanted to show you guys some of the Bibles that he brought. He's already sold several, like within the first hour of this event. So the amount of appreciation that we have for Jeff is displayed in his craftsmanship and the level of detail that he has in these rebinds. So, sir, you just purchased a Bible from PTL. Show us what you got. This is a solas on the spine. You have the Cairo on the cover. Tell us about that one, Jeff.
Yeah, so this right here is a Roma shagreen black goat skin. It's got navy liner, navy end sheets, navy ribbons, gold stitching around the perimeter. It's got the Cairo stamp dead in the center. And it's got the 5 solas on the spine with my logo, and it has gold highlights on the hubs. Awesome. It also has, it's gold, and it also has a red tint.
Yeah, that's nice, man. So, what's the layout in this one?
So the layout, it's
large print reference.
Large print reference, but it has the creeds and confessions. So right here we go to the Westminster. It has the London Baptist, which is the best. Got the Heidelberg Catechism. Right. It's got the creeds.
You had mentioned a new leather that you like is this right here.
Yeah, so this leather right here, it's a natural, so it hasn't been tanned. The name of the leather is called Mud. So this leather will patina. I got the line going around it, got matching stitching.
The ribbon colors kind of exemplified some of the different liners.
I had 3 of these that matched, and so they had the burgundy, the brown, and the navy ribbons. And then when you would open up the liner, you open up the covers, the liner would match one of the ribbons.
Yeah, it looks so good. I love this look. I do love that corner imprinting of that Cairo.
Yeah.
I love, this might be one of my favorite ones. I personally brought my PTL PSQ to the event just because of its size.
Well, let's highlight my preaching Bible.
All right, let's show you preaching Bible. That's what I'm talking about.
Now,
got some exclusive content for you guys.
So,
look at that wrap, man.
So we recognize the ESV preaching Bible verse by verse.
Yeah.
But when you buy it, it's real big and bulky. So I had it cut down. I had all the wide margins cut off.
Oh, you were why don't they do that? That's a great idea.
That is an
cutting the margins down. That is
Bible.
A portable
and it's big
verse
print.
by verse Bible. And you had it re-gilded, obviously, with 24 karat gold.
And so I'm preaching through the book of Hebrews. As you can see, I got it all marked up.
Oh man, that looks amazing. We were just talking about the verse by verse preaching Bible and how it's going to take the place of the Lego. It's going to take the place of the 08 single column verse by verse. It's really kind of the new best thing Crossway's made.
Yeah.
And I think the way you did it, taking the margins down, guys, you got to take note. Crossway, take note. You need to make a personal size verse by verse preaching Bible. Just like Jeff's, this would be the one everybody buys.
Keep the same font size.
Same font size. This is great. This is really awesome. I love this leather. Is it that pull-up cowhide?
It's the pull-up cowhide. So this would be the walnut pull-up cowhide. And I did the burgundy liner, my ribbons.
Oh yeah, I love that ribbon color combination. Yeah. The brown and the gold.
Oh yeah, man.
And the burgundy and navy. So I love these spines. See how intricate these spines are. Guys, if you have not gotten into custom rebinds, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get something that is customized, tailored to you, that you will want to read and want to pick up more and more. And that's the whole point. It's enhancing the reading experience by making it more enjoyable with all of the experiences, the textures, the feel, all those things.
Hey, before we go, can we show TJ?
Oh yeah. Hey guys, all of you guys who did some of the stuff whenever we were praying for the Rice family, and TJ was in the NICU. We want to show you God's blessing in this man right here. Look how beautiful this little boy is. We have prayed for this family and we love this family so much, and we're so thankful to see that smile on his little face.
Look at my eyes.
I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. Look at those eyes, man. That's so beautiful. This is such a display of God's grace, and we're so thankful. Look at him. Can I hold him?
Yeah, you
Oh
try.
my goodness.
Say hey,
Hey, big man. He is not a fan of this. I don't think he's like, where's my daddy? How beautiful he is, man. Hey, man. How you doing? Well, thank you guys for watching. This is great. I'm so happy, so blessed. This is my favorite video by far. So thank you guys for watching. Take care. God bless.